Hello students, we have done non-chordata and today we are going to do phylum Chordata. What are the important features of phylum Chordata? Presence of notochord. Notochord is rod-like structure, refers to skeleton. Okay, dorsal hollow nerve cord. This hollow nerve cord is present dorsal to the notochord. This is the important feature of phylum Chordata. Presence of notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, paired pharyngeal gill slits. Fourth, post-anal tail. Anal tail is present posterior to anus. Helps in locomotion and balancing. Paired pharyngeal gill slits. These are present in pharynx to filter the food particles from the water. Okay. Notochord refers to skeleton. Hollow nerve cord refers to central nervous system. Phylum Chordata. Animals are bilaterally symmetrical, triploblastic, coelomate, organ system level of organization. Okay, when it comes to phylum Chordata is divided into three subphylums: Urochordata, Cephalochordata, Vertebrata. In Urochordata, animals possess notochord only in larval stage. You have to remember, in Urochordata, animals possess notochord only in larval stage. In Cephalochordata, they possess notochord throughout the life. Vertebrates possess notochord only in embryonic period. Okay. What is protochordates? Protochordates include Urochordata and Cephalochordata. Urochordata, notochord is present only in larval stage. Cephalochordata, notochord persists throughout the life. What are their examples? Examples of Urochordata: Ascidia, Salpa, Doliolum. Examples of Cephalochordata: Brachiostoma. Vertebrata possess notochord during embryonic period and replaced by vertebral column in adult. Like in mammals. Mammals are vertebrates. Okay. When it comes to what are the features of vertebrates? Ventral muscular heart. Students, ventral side is front lower side, and the dorsal is back side. Okay. Features of vertebrates: ventral muscular heart, kidneys for excretion and osmoregulation, paired appendages may be fins or limbs. These are the features of vertebrates. Now, vertebrata is divided into two groups: Agnatha, Gnathostomata. Agnatha, animals lack jaws. In Gnathostomata, animals bear jaws. Okay. Class Cyclostomata is the class of Agnatha, and Pisces and Tetrapoda are the classes of Gnathostomata. You can see the table. In Pisces, classes Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes are included. They bear fins. Tetrapoda bear limbs. Class Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and mammals. Okay.